next one is Yigdal. Yigdal is a 13-line poem based on Shaloch Asar Ikarim, the 13th principle of the faith, also known as Tortis Ami Ma'amims. Although one is not obligated to recite it every day, many recite it. Okay, so for men, that's what we have to say that. For women, it's if they want. I mean, it's a beautiful poem, as we said, as we just explained. It's that there is a 13 principles of Judaism by Rambam. So he compiled this 13 principle, and then he said, whoever is denying one of the principle, so he's not he cannot be counted as a part of the Jewish nation, no more, no less, right? And we cannot count him as a minion. So all of the strict things, and or even doubts, they say, or making fun, all of these things, right? So for example, the last one is, I think the last one is about resurrection of the dead. So a person said, how is it possible that dead people who are dead for 2,000 years, 5,000 years, they're going to the resurrect? How is it possible? No, they're not going to resurrect. So that's enough to put him in this category of people who are called apicorsi. So in this poem, of course, I mean, it's not, if you know that there are 13 principles of faith, and when you read it, yeah, you see how is it there. Okay.